Tarun, time is passing so quickly. We have already turned 40.
Yes, and in just 20 more years, we will be retired.
Sounds good. So after retirement, you'll be celebrating every month with your pension, right?
Pension? I won't be receiving any pension.
Then what have you planned? How will you manage after retirement?
I'm not sure, but I don't think my savings will be enough.
If savings aren't enough, why not start growing your money for retirement now?
But how will I be able to do that?
For that, mutual funds में SIP है ना?
SIP? What's that?
SIP is a smart way to invest a fixed amount every month in mutual funds, helping you build a strong fund for retirement. For example, if you had started investing rupees 15,000 per month through SIP in mutual funds 20 years ago, your total investment amount would have been rupees 36 lakh, your estimated corpus till date, rupees 1.49 crore.
That sounds like a good idea. I will start investing from today.
That's the right step. Because to live comfortably after retirement, mutual funds में SIP है ना?
Contact your mutual fund distributor and start investing today.